So adding payments to your web app. In the last video, we went through the process of adding the ability to sign up and log in to this AI professional headshot generator. And we also added that when you actually submit one headshot and generate that headshot, you are then told you have to upgrade the account in order to generate more. And when you upgrade the account, you pay $10 in order to generate 5 more headshots. And if you want unlimited, then you can upgrade to a subscription where it's $15 a month in order to get unlimited headshots. And so in this video, we want to actually add in the payment processing to where we connect the Stripe account with Clerk, which is what we use for the authentication. And if that sounds good to you, this is part 2 of the log of the authentication and payments, adding authentication and payments to your web app. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications. Okay, so we're over here in the AI professional headshot generator app. We're logged in. I'm logged in via, I believe this was via my Gmail, and then we've used that generation up. And so we have cursor here, and we're working through the next step. So if we go on over to Clerk, and we see here, we have 2 users, which these are 2 different emails that I have. And if I go on over to subscriptions, we have different areas here: organizations, users, which we're just in, configure, which we use for actually implementing Clerk and by integrating to Cursor. I'm going to go over to subscriptions, and then let's click Get Started to set up the billing and revenue. So I'm going to create a plan, set up Clerk Billing for your application. And I'm going to create plan. And then this base fee, subscribers will pay this amount in addition to any other pricing options you set. Let's see, so we got free trial. So the free trial is not a number of days. It's just going to be one headshot. So we're going to have a base fee. So we want to have a $10 fee for 5 headshots. Subscribers will pay this amount in addition to any other pricing options you set. And so what I want to do is I'm going to actually copy and paste this into chat so I can, I'm being a little lazy. I wanted to give me the description. So I'm going to say, so I'm in Clerk setting up billing, and this is the first billing plan here. This one is going to be for if you purchase, this is for an AI headshot generator app. So if you purchase, you want to be able to do 5 headshots, it's going to be $10, like a one-time fee of $10. And so that is going to be this particular plan. It's not a subscription. It's going to be like a one-time, $10 fee. And so if you can help me with the, the copy and the setup for that. All right, let me put that in. We can just take this. So, you don't have to, AI makes it such that you can just make things easier for yourself. I love to communicate with the voice a lot because it's in my own voice, right? And then the AI is able to kind of just translate it to the form that we're going to need for whatever is being written. Okay, so monthly base fee is actually 0. It says monthly base fee must be at least 1. Interesting. All right, so it's saying that the Clerk plans is for subscriptions, not one-time fees. But let's see what it says here. So you got to create the product in Stripe, configure it in Stripe, name it and describe it and everything there, and then connect that product to Clerk, billing, products plans, new plan. But instead of using monthly base fee, link your Clerk plan to the Stripe product you just created. When a user clicks buy, now you send them through Clerk Stripe checkout for this one-time payment. After checkout succeeds, Stripe will send a webhook event. You'll use that webhook to mark the user as having credits in your database. Deduct credits each time they generate a headshot. End result, no subscription created. Users instantly get their 5 headshot credits. Do you want me to also draft the credit system setup so after purchase, the user gets exactly 5 headshots? Do you want me to also draft the credit system setup so after purchase, the user gets exactly 5 headshots and Clerk Stripe plus your database enforce it? So my question is, first, how do you link your Clerk plan to the Stripe product? This is the exact part that shows a lot of people up because Clerk Billing makes it feel like you only set a monthly base fee, but really it's just a UI wrapper on top of Stripe. Here's how you link them. In Clerk, go to billing settings. Oh, let's go back. Maybe configure. Gotta find billing. This is billing settings. Yeah, plan and billing. It says in your Clerk dashboard, go to billing settings, connect your Stripe account if you haven't already. Once connected, Clerk will automatically sync your Stripe. So you gotta find wherever Stripe is located. All right, so this is billing, plan and billing. I don't see Stripe either of these areas. I'm not seeing Stripe here. Clerk has two different products, features: authentication, user management, what you're in right now, Clerk Billing, which adds the Stripe integration UI. If your dashboard only shows plan settings with no Stripe credit, it means you don't have the billing beta enabled in your account. What this means for you can still sell one-time headshot credits, but you'll need to manage Stripe directly instead of doing it all inside Clerk. Clerk will track which plan the user is on, but the actual checkout payment happens in Stripe. Two ways forward: enable Clerk Billing, reach out to Clerk support, or use Stripe checkout directly. Skip Clerk Billing for now. Use Stripe checkout for your $10 one-time purchase. After a successful payment, use the Stripe webhook to tell Clerk, mark the user's public metadata with headshot credits 5. Now your app knows this user has 5 credits to spend. Example webhook logic. Do you want to wait for Clerk Billing, or do you want to walk you through? Okay, so now my question is, but what about the unlimited $15 plan? How do I implement this? Maybe we can do this first. So you create a subscription product in Stripe, choose recurring, monthly, save product. This gives you your product price ID. Inside your Clerk dashboard, plan and billing new plan. For pricing, choose your Stripe price ID for $15 monthly. If your Clerk doesn't have the billing beta, you'll reference this in code instead and save the plan. Add subscription checkout flow. On your front end, you'll call Clerk to open the billing portal or Stripe checkout. Enforce unlimited access. In your app logic, when you check a user's plan, don't enforce credits. As long as their subscription is active, they generate unlimited headshots. Stripe will automatically handle recurring charges. If they cancel or payment fails, Clerk Stripe will update their subscription status. You can downgrade them to free one-time plans. With this, you'll have a working recurring subscription plan. Do you want me to also draft the free unlimited upgrade flow so a free user can upgrade inside Clerk and their plan switches to the $15 a month plan automatically? All right, so let's see what we have here. Plan and billing, our subscriptions. Yeah, subscription plans. It looks like this is the same thing. This is the same thing here. Let's see, monthly base fee, $15. Limited AI headshots. Limited AI headshot. All right. I mean, if we wanted to do an annual discount, let's see, 15 times 12 is 180. So let's say, I don't know, annual discount, $150. Oh, I see. So that would be like whatever that. Okay. I think we're talking. I said 150. Let's go 1250 then. Yep. Okay. Publicly available. All right. So let's say I save this. All right. So features lets you define and gate the functionality in your app. Add features to your plans to give users fine-grained access to your app. So I don't know much about the features. Can you tell me about the features option in Clerk? Yes, that feature section you see is actually really useful. It's not just cosmetic, it's how you tie billing plans directly to app functionality. It's basically a toggle or entitlement you can attach to a plan. When a user is subscribed to that plan, Clerk will mark those features as available for that user. You can then check those features in your code to decide what to show or block. So instead of hard coding $15 plan equals unlimited headshots, you can define a feature like unlimited headshots is true, headshot limit is 5, and Clerk will handle gating for you. Example for your use case. For your unlimited plan, you might add feature unlimited headshots is access unlimited AI headshots. For your $10 one-time plan, feature headshot pack 5 is include 5 AI headshots. Then in your app logic, you check the following. Why this matters: lets you scale pricing tiers easily. You can add pro plan later with 50 headshots a month just by adding a headshot limit 50 feature. Keeps business logic separate from your code. Works great with Clerk's pricing table and user profile, so users can see which features they're getting. So in short, features equal entitlements you attach to plans, and Clerk automatically tells you in code whether a user has them. Would you like me to draft a feature setup for both your $10 one-time and $15 unlimited plan so you have a clean foundation for it? I would like a feature set up for the $15 unlimited plan to start. Also, keep in mind that the app was built with React, I believe. Yeah. All right. When editing your unlimited $15 plan in Clerk, scroll down to features, add feature, fill in the following. So let's see. Add feature, unlimited headshots. Name. Subscribers can generate unlimited headshots each month. Now, whenever a user is subscribed to this plan, Clerk automatically gives them the unlimited headshots entitlement. Step 2, check features in your React app. Clerk exposes features in the user hook or via user data. So you add feature to check feature, use feature for access control. You can use this unlimited headshots flag to hide show upgrade prompts, control API calls, to prevent credit deduction. Example workflow in React. With this, the $15 plan is fully feature gated. Clerk marks users as having unlimited headshots. Your React code just checks the entitlement and gives unlimited access. So what about the Stripe though? How do I make sure it's all connected? So Clerk doesn't actually process the money itself. It uses Stripe under the hood. The trick is making sure your Clerk plan plus features are tied to the correct Stripe subscription product price. Here's how to make sure everything's connected. Go to Stripe, product, add product. Okay, so let's add the product to Stripe now. So you're going to add a product, limited AI headshot, recurring, $15 a month. Needed a description for that, John. Say if you get a price ID, link Stripe price to Clerk plan. Back in the dashboard, open your limited plan. On a monthly base fee, set $15. Behind the scenes, Clerk creates a corresponding Stripe price if you're using Clerk Billing. If you already created a product in Stripe, Clerk can sync to it depending if you have billing beta enabled. Now, Clerk knows this plan corresponds to the Stripe subscription. When a user subscribes, Clerk launches a Stripe checkout session for that plan. Step 4, Stripe to Clerk sync. When payment succeeds, Stripe marks the subscription active. Clerk listens via webhook and automatically updates the user, assigns them the plan, grants them the feature. You don't have to manually update entitlements. Clerk handles it based on the Stripe subscription steps. You can check in three places. Clerk dashboard, user pick, test user, see the active plan and features. Stripe dashboard to customers, confirm they have an active subscription. Your React app, user features includes unlimited headshots, should return true. Once this setup, the loop is closed. Stripe handles money and renewals. Clerk syncs plan and refeatures to the user. Your app checks entitlement via Clerk. Do you want me to also show you how to test this end to end so you know it's working? I guess the question I have is, it says on the monthly base fee in Clerk set $15. Behind the scenes, Clerk creates a corresponding Stripe price. But if you've already created a product in Stripe, Clerk can sync to it. But you told me to create a product in Stripe first. All right, we'll see. Okay, so let me just add this product, unlimited headshots. Well, what about the Stripe connection? Do I need to add a webhook or API key or anything to the project project from Stripe? Otherwise, how would Clerk know about the Stripe product? Exactly. Clerk doesn't magically know about Stripe products unless you connect them. Here's a breakdown. How Clerk connects to Stripe API key connection. In your Clerk dashboard, there should be a billing Stripe settings section. There you connect your Stripe account. Once connected, Clerk can create a managed product Stripe for you or link to existing ones. Without this connection, plans you create won't actually charge anyone. They're just entitlement Stripe webhooks. Clerk sets up Stripe webhooks behind the scenes if you use Clerk Billing. Clerk updates the user's plans and features based on these events. If you're running your own Stripe integration, you have to set up the webhook and call Clerk's API to update user metadata. Interesting. So, all right. So it sounds like this Clerk Billing is something I really need. All right. Billing free trial. What's going on? So I'm seeing, we have the paid plan. Here we go. All right, so we've got our zero configuration payment gateway ready to process test payments immediately. Then we also have the Stripe account enablement. Only enable this if you want to see test payments in your own Stripe account. Switching to a new account will permanently delete all existing payers and active subscriptions in this instance. This action cannot be undone. And then Clerk Billing costs 0.7% per transaction. Billing is enabled. Configure the behavior of billing. Read billing guide. Can I use an existing Stripe account with Clerk Billing? Unfortunately, there's no way to use an existing business entity with Clerk Billing. Can I see subscriptions in my Stripe account? Clerk Billing does not use Stripe products, prices, subscriptions. Clerk manages plans and subscriptions items and only uses Stripe for payment processing. You will still be able to see customer information as well as payment information in your Stripe account. That explains that. So I should not be using the Stripe. I should not have created a Stripe product then. Is Clerk a merchant of record? No. All right. Payments methods from all countries are supported. Is Clerk support? Interesting. All right. So interesting. The feature is currently in beta and basically it could break is what it's saying. This is all interesting, man. Subscription plan. We got unlimited headshot. But it sounds like you can use the Stripe account. That's fine. Create a Stripe account. Only enable this if you want to see test payments in your own Stripe account. Clerk partners with Stripe for secure payments. Let me sign in based on my account using a test account with test data. All right. Select an account for payments. Interesting. Test institution. I don't even know what that is. Okay. I guess these are all tests. So I guess I can get the test payments when I do pay. Statement descriptor, shortened descriptor. Say something like, that's fine. All right. So we've connected to the Stripe account. Confirm this. There's only your Stripe account is not yet completely set up. Once it is completely set up, you can get started. Only enable this if you want to see test payments. This is the test Stripe account for Clerk. All right, so I've enabled the Stripe connection to Clerk. Now the Clerk Billing says that you don't use any existing Stripe products or anything. It's just that it just connects to Stripe to do the payment itself. And so can you just talk on that? So why did you tell me to create a product? And this is where chat kind of goes wrong, where it's like you kind of have to be, commanded because you don't know if it's telling you the right information or not. All right, so I'm looking at the subscription plan. So we have the Stripe connected. And if I look at the subscription plan here. Okay, so with the $15 unlimited plan set in Clerk and the Stripe test account set, how do I now test this out in the app. Perfect. Now that you have it set, here's how to run end-to-end test. Clerk gives you drop-in components so users can see and subscribe. This pulls in your Clerk plans. Users will see your subscribe button. Clerk handles checkout. Stripe test payment form appears. Use a Stripe test card. When the checkout windows pop up, use one of Stripe's test cards. Verify subscription. After the test checkout succeeds, go to Clerk dashboard. User pick your test account. Test user, you should see active plan features. This confirms Clerk updated the user after Stripe process payment. In your app, you can now conditionally render based on the feature. Check Stripe dashboard. The full user clicks subscribe inside of your React app. Clerk Stripe checkout. Stripe processes payment. Clerk updates the user's plans plus features. Your app checks user. Do you want me to show you how that simulated calculator so you can test what happens when someone unsubscribes? Where do I find the components for this? And I need a step-by-step for implementation. Great, since Clerk Billing is enabled and you're in a plain React app, here's a clean end-to-end way to test. Install and wrap your app with Clerk, create the plan and feature in Clerk. Make sure your .env has Vite Clerk publishable key. Add a pricing page, checkout handled by Clerk. Add a simple account billing page. Users can manage, cancel the subscriptions from the billing inside. Get your generator with the feature. Test the full flow. Go to your pricing route in your app, sign in as test user, click subscribe. In Stripe checkout, use test card, let users cancel your account page. Boom. Plan not visible, toggle publicly available on in the app, on in the plan, feature check, failing, making sure the feature code when you edit, wrong environment key, not in test mode, keep Stripe in test mode. All right, so they give you some of these components here. Enable billing, payment gateway, create a plan, add features to plan, create a pricing page, control access with features, example, billing for, then you got billing for business to business, Saas, events and webhooks, subscription item, backend requests, webhooks, redirect URLs. All right, let's go with billing for business to consumer app. I'm gonna paste this in here. Then I'm also going to paste the webhook stuff in here. Hopefully that's helpful. Then I'm gonna say all right, so we're creating the subscription for the $15 a month unlimited headshots. We're going to need a pricing page. So there needs to be, so on that page where it says, like upgrade the plan, you should be able to click that upgrade and that should take you to the pricing page for, $15 a month unlimited. That's what we're going to start with right now, $15 a month unlimited. And so I've added some info just on from the Clerk Billing documentation. I've also added information about like webhooks, if any of that's necessary. So you can let me know what we need in order to move this forward. All right, now I'm gonna paste this in here. Pricing page with Clerk for the $15 a month limited plan. Let me start by creating a pricing page and integrating with. First, let me install React Router. Let me create a pricing page component for using Clerk's pricing table. Now let me create a comprehensive guide for setting up the Clerk Billing integration. All right. I successfully implemented a comprehensive billing system with Clerk for your $15 a month unlimited headshot subscription. Here's what's been built, including FAQ section for customer support, pricing link, boom, 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 user experience flow, gets one free generation, sees upgrade for more, access pricing, click start unlimited, Clerk handles secure payment, automatic subscription activation, unlimited generations without watermark, unlimited generations, status indicator, full access to all features, boom, 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 usage persistence, responsive design, professional UI, enable billing in your Clerk dashboard, create the plan, test of development gateway, connect Stripe for production, should already be connected, test the flow, sign in, try second generation, see upsell modal, click start unlimited, click pricing and header. The complete it's set up. Remember to create the unlimited plan in your dashboard with the exact name and used in the code. With the exact name used in the code, update the plan name and usage context to match your Clerk setup. So it's gotta be called unlimited plan. Let's see in Clerk. Name. I'm just gonna say you said unlimited plan. In Clerk dashboard, name unlimited plan. Key unlimited plan. Limited. Yeah. Now currently references unlimited plan. The name field is what users succeed with a keyword. Tribe didn't keep limited plan. Okay. So do you need the plan ID? And what about the features? High resolution, priority processing, all styles, no watermarks, unlimited generations. Plan key you recommended works perfectly as is. All right. I mean, let's see what's up now. Do I need to create a new account? Well, hold on. Let me just upgrade for more. This pricing on the top right now. Okay. Interesting. Choose your plan. Upgrade to unlimited professional headshots with no watermark, perfect for professionals who need regular updates to their image. Unlimited headshot generations, no watermarks on images, all style options included, high resolution downloads, no watermarks, and priority processing, cancel anytime, build annually. You could do it by month or annually. How many headshots can I generate? With the unlimited plan, you can generate as many headshots as you need. There are no limits, cannot cancel anytime. Yes, you can cancel your subscription at any time. You'll continue to have access until the end of your billing period. What payment methods do you accept? We accept all major credit cards and debit cards through our secure payment processor. Will my headshots have watermarks? No, all headshots generated with a paid subscription are completely watermark free. All right, so I think so rather than doing the $10 for 5, I might just do like $10 a month for 5, like $10 a month to get 5 free headshots, or you can just do it unlimited. So then you end up just doing unlimited. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe it should be $5. I think $10 a month. 5 makes sense. All right, so going back, and we haven't even tried the other one first, but let's try this here. Subscription plan name. So we have the unlimited plan, and maybe we call this like, so we have unlimited plan, unlimited headshots, unlimited plan. We call it like standard, and maybe it's like, call it standard plan or something. And then it could be like 5 AI headshots every month for just $10. Because this plan has active subscriptions, you will not be able to change its price. Interesting. Okay, so all right. Well, we should change this back to free then, but this shouldn't even be, I guess it should just not even show up, right? We should probably just, then we've got to add a second plan. So you got free, unlimited, and then we call it like, standard plan. And then what's it? 5 AI headshots every month for $10. And then $10 a month will be the base fee. Annual discount, I don't know, we want to say 8, make it 96. We can make it like 100, right? So 825, still 99. 833, 834. It's whatever. Let's go 8. Right. Let's just save it like this. I don't think we need to add the feature. All right. So now, I've added an additional plan for standard to where you get 5 AI headshots for $10 a month. So this restriction must be created for those who are on the standard plan. Also, and then let's just see what it says. Perfect. I need to update the code to support the new standard plan. Let me modify the usage context and related components to handle the 3-tier system. Free 1 headshot with watermark, 5 headshots per month for $10. No watermark. Unlimited headshots for $15. No watermark. Now I need to update the upsell model to include the standard plan option. Let me check for any linting errors and then provide you with the updated setup instructions. Now let me update the Clerk Billing setup to reflect the new 3-tier system. 3-tier system successfully implemented. I've updated the entire code base to support your new 3-tier pricing structure. Free, standard, unlimited, code changes made. Updated usage context now handles standard subscription type. Updated watermark logic, only free users get watermark. Shows correct counts for standard users. Now shows both standard and unlimited option. For your standard plan, make sure to set name standard plan. Price $5 every month, $10. The code is already configured to look for a standard plan. For users, 1 generation with watermark. Upsell model shows standard 10 and unlimited 15. 5 generations without watermark. After 5 shows upgrade to unlimited. Unlimited generations without watermark. Unlimited generations without watermark. Your 3-tier system not fully implemented. Okay, so now let's say someone gets the standard, does 5, and wants to upgrade to the unlimited. Do they get prorated? How proration works with Clerk Billing. Automatic proration. When a user upgrades from standard to unlimited mid-cycle, Clerk Strap automatically calculates unused type on standard, credits back to prorated, starts new billing cycle. Users charged, not charged, configuring class stats. Proration usually enabled by default, but you can verify configuration. Go to billing settings, look for proration setting or subscription changes. Ensure enable proration is checked. The current code doesn't need change for proration. Handled at the payment process. However, you may want to reset usage counter and upgrade. Handle mid-cycle upgrades for standard users who upgrade unlimited. You might want to reset their usage counter to 0. Give them immediate unlimited access. Show a confirmation message about operation. User experience considerations, clear communication, add messaging in your upgrade flow like you'll be charged the prorated difference. Your next bill will reflect the new plan on use time. Users should get unlimited access immediately and not wait for next billing cycle. Recommended implementation. Let me add a small enhancement to handle the upgrade experience better. Let me also add proration information to the pricing pricing page. Yes, they get prorated. Automatically how it works. User on standard upgrades unlimited. Check. Clerk Strap automatically credits on your standard time. User immediately gets unlimited access. What you need to do, nothing special on code, clear communication, verifying Clerk dashboard, ensure operations enable immediate access to Clerk Billing operations. All right, so verify in Clerk dashboard. proration settings, billing settings. All right, so let's see billing settings. But where would I find proration though? Let's go to billing settings, look for proration settings or subscription changes, subscription plans, subscription standard plan. Where exactly would I find proration? Where exactly would I find proration? Great question. Let me help you find the proration settings in Clerk. The location can vary slightly depending on your Clerk dashboard version, but here's where to look. Method 1, go to your Clerk dashboard, navigate the billing or billing settings in the sidebar. Look for a section called plan changes person. Go to plan, boom. We can't find this person name by default. It's handled at Stripe level. Let's go contact Clerk Explorer. I don't see it there. It's probably already enabled, especially with, all right, well, let's test this out now. I mean, I may even just like subscribe with a whole new account now just to, to see. So let me sign up. I'm going to sign up with a completely different account. Let's do drop card. All right, so now let's go let's go key picks. We can go outdoor. We can go I don't know, let's say green crew neck sweater, standing with a pensive look. So it says one free generation. Generate the headshot, okay, and it has the watermark on it as well, okay. And then you can download it, right? You can start over, but like if I were to start over, right, it says upgrade for more. So now I have to upgrade one, and we could always add this in, but like it should be like it says where it says upgrade for more. That should lead you to like being able to upgrade, but you have the pricing at the top right, and right now it has a free, standard, and unlimited. So I do want to get rid of the free. Can we get rid of the the free card view in the pricing section? It shouldn't be there. Users are automatically on the free plan when they sign up, because there's no point even noting it, because you only get one headshot anyway on the free plan. Okay, so we may have to just change it to not publicly available for the free. So click that, remove it being publicly available. So if we go back here, it should just be gone then. Pricing. Okay, perfect. Okay, pricing. Oh, okay, now this is super weird because they just added this in. That's unnecessary. All right, this is fine. 5 shots per month, no watermarks, all style options, high quality downloads, unlimited headshot generation, no watermarks, all style uploads, priority processing, high resolution downloads. The fuck is going on? I liked how it was before. Why did they just change it to this? And then why does it have unlimited on top here? What is going on? We should make this right. So this is a bit off. It should show the benefits of each plan within each plan, not just unlimited above both plans. You're absolutely right. The current layout shows only unlimited benefits above both plans, which is confusing. Each plan should show its own specific benefits. Perfect. Now the benefits show above both. That's probably fine, right? Choose a plan that fits your needs. Both plans include no watermark, all style options, and high quality downloads. 5 AI headshots every month, $10, unlimited. All right. So honestly, the copy and everything we can change once we verify that that's the subscription actually works. So let me just go ahead and subscribe. So pay with test card. Payment was successful. Hey, okay, continue. So so I got a receipt. Okay, cool. I got a receipt. And so then I should now get just 4 generations remaining this month. So I guess it counted the first one as a generation. All right, that's fine. See if I can get something nice. Let's go outdoor. Start over. Okay, 3 generations now. Let's go all 4 of these. Let's also add in that last image as well. Let's try again. Let's go corporate. Let's go 2, 3. Yo, these aren't looking nothing like, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go 2 more. Okay, well, I guess 1 more. I guess that was 1 more. All right. Let me just download it just because. All right, if I start over, 0 remaining. Okay, now you need to upgrade to unlimited. But again, this, when you click on this should go to upgrade to limited. So okay, let me pricing. Okay, this is what's active. Now if I switch to this plan, right, credits for the remainder. Okay, cool. So it does account for it. Okay, so now I have the unlimited plan, unlimited generations, and the receipt also comes up. Perfect. And it actually credits it out. So that's dope that it's all connected. They make it pretty easy for you. So now I can, you know what I mean, do what I need to do. I don't like how it's making me. It's kind of like a little wacky today. Like it was a lot better before, to be honest. Unless it changed the actual prompts, because these are looking less like me before than they were before. To be honest, you feel me? Let me try to add. So yeah, it's looking good. So it might be the prompting. Maybe there's something to do with something with the prompting back there. But it's working now. Working now. And all right. So the pricing is working very well with the test account. There are a couple of adjustments I want to make to the copy on the pricing page, and even just like how it all flows. For example, where it says upgrade to unlimited, after you've like generated a photo and you don't have any more photos left, and you have to either upgrade to the standard or upgrade to the unlimited, it should just say upgrade your account, and then it should then link you to the pricing page, rather than you having to go to the top right and click on pricing. And then on the pricing page itself, the FAQs and then the standard and the unlimited plans should just like show what each. So the standard unlimited plans should each show within the plans like what you're going to get from each plan, and then the FAQ should reflect all the questions that can come up about the standard or the unlimited plan. Not, it should not just be based around the unlimited plan. So that I want to rectify, and then also I want to understand, okay, now how do we get this to, like, production? How do we get this to a real account, and how do we get this overall um you know app to production? First, let me update the upsell model, or upgrade to your account. Say upgrade to your account and simplify. Just say upgrade to your account. It should say upgrade the account or upgrade your account. Let me log out of here and then log into another kind of account. Yeah, upgrade for more works. Upgrade for more works. New copy. Ready to upgrade your account? Single views pricing plans button. Those both standard account. Boom. Enhanced pricing page. Production to deployment guide. Created a complete production deployment guide covering pre-production setup, clerk, production instance configuration, live Stripe account connection, production API keys and environment variables, Vercel hosting setup, domain configuration, environment variable management, complete user journey testing, payment flow, analytics and error tracking, operational costs, revenue projection, setup production clerk instances with live Stripe, get production Gemini API key, deploy to Vercel, test complete user journey with real payments. Your AI headshot generator is now production ready with a polished user experience and comprehensive billing system. Improve upsell flow will drive more conversions. And the detailed FAQs were okay. So what's the difference in standard and unlimited plans? How many headshots I get each plan? Do both plans include watermark free? Absolutely. We'll have to actually my same. All right. So okay. So let's just do this for the unlimited. Oh, you know what? Where it says unlimited headshots, so those are literally features like in here, right? So for example, in configure subscription plans unlimited, if you were to remove this feature or not make it publicly available, right, then technically it should not show up here. Then it should not show. Okay, I see what's going on. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's cool. But the upgrade for more, where it says free generation used, and then upgrade for more, that upgrade for more should link to the pricing page. Now let me add the prop to the component function signature. Now let me make the upgrade for more text clickable by converting it to a button. Now I need to update the app component to pass the onshore pricing prop to the upload step component. Let me check for analytic error prop. Perfect. Now let me test this to make sure it works properly. Let me also add a small visual enhancement to make it more obvious that it's clickable for free users after using the one free generation. It shows free generation use, upgrade, and boom. All right, let's see. So now if I click here, it should okay, perfect. It goes to, and then also, okay, at the bottom where it says have questions, it should contact us at info@pinterestmedia.com. And then I just want to check the where is the prompt for the headshot rendering in the code, because the image generations are seeming a bit off. I needed to take me there. App.tsx. Let's start with that. Cons prompt. Generate a high quality professional corporate headshot, studio light, sharp face, Focus on face blurred, office background, confident, expressive, boom, boom. How the prompt is sent to AI. Okay, so that makes sense. The current prompts might be too busy. Let me enhance them with more specific instructions, better headshot. Now, add a generate a high quality at the beginning. Specify a sharp focus on face with better face. Just a proper headshot frame, including high resolution. Corporate added business attire, added artistic composition, added modern. Let me try it. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. Let's go all of them. Oh, gotta upgrade for more. All right. Standard plan, pay with test card. The only thing is we gotta have like a cancel, be able to like have a cancellation. You like that? I mean, maybe somewhat. How can users cancel the plan? Here's how you can cancel the plan. Click profile in top right corner, click manage account, go to billing, click cancel. Enhanced pricing page is added. For subscribe users, the pricing page now shows current plan status, manage subscription, clear cancellation, direct FAQ instructions added. How to cancel step by step. All right, cancellation benefits, boom, boom. Let's just go. Your current plan, standard, cancel anytime, no questions asked. You have to make changes to the subscription. Clicking manage subscription is not leading me anywhere. Clicking manage subscription is not leading me anywhere. Do I need to implement thing from Clerk? This guide will walk you through deploying your AI headshot generator to production, pre-production checklist, production clerk instance configured, production Gemini IQ, production traffic account configured, current development variables, production variables, create production instance, create a new application for production, configure production domain, headshots.pinterestmedia.com. It should actually be headshot.pinterestmedia.media.com. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Let me just change what it's using. I don't know, maybe we go with should we go with Grok 4? Why not? For some reason it's just not working. What if I put auto mode on? What the hell's going on? I don't know what the hell's going on. It just stopped working. I mean, we may have to move this to part 3 anyway. For part 3 would be the deployment. All right, I'm not sure what's going on. But what I will say is we've gotten the payment integrated. So Stripe integrated into Clerk. We have 2 plans, standard plan, unlimited AI headshots plan, even though it shouldn't be saying that. It should be saying unlimited plan, I believe. We can change that if we have to. But unfortunately, the manage subscription isn't working. Like when I click that, nothing happens. So we should be able to click manage subscription and then cancel. And then once that's in place, then we go ahead and work through the process of moving to production. So we're going to end the video at this point. And so part 3. So I guess we are moving to a third part. Originally, plan was to make it 2 parts, but I'm going to need a third part to actually get it live on production. So we already have the Vercel. We already have the app deployed to Vercel. So it's just going to be adding the payment so that it shows up on the production side of the account as well. So that's what we got right now. Cursor is just not cooperating. So I'm just going to end it here. And then we can finish up in part 3. So hope you enjoyed this one. Oh, here we go. The manage subscription button isn't doing anything. I'm trying to find a Clerk user button, but this selected might not be working properly. Let me check if the user button is properly rendered. Issues that the current approach trying to program. Click the user button. Let me fix this by using Clerk's proper API. According to use Clerk hook to open the user profile. Perfect. I fixed the manage subscription button by adding use Clerk hook instead of trying to manually click use. This is the proper way to pragmatically open Clerk. User profile modal, which includes the billing subscription management method. Open, boom, cancel, update, boom. All right, well, let's try it. Pricing, current plan, manage subscription. Click on it. Profile, connected accounts, email addresses, security, billing. Standard plan. All right, so you can switch plans from here. All right, you can switch plans. Okay, it goes to cancel subscription. You can switch subscription. You can keep using this until October 15th. But let's say cancel. Canceled ends October 15th. This is really dope. This is really dope. Free upcoming starts October 15th. It goes back to the free plan, which you can't do anything. But maybe we should have it so that it resets every month, so that you get 1 free generation a month, or maybe it should be 1 free generation a day. But it's just dope that you can do these things. So that is, so that's so for the pricing. And then if you go back to generator, you can also manage account through here as well. So Clerk makes it pretty easy, just like integrating the payments to here, and I like this a lot. Because Clerk, you can also manage the user and authentication. When you get a database involved, then I might complicate the situation a little bit, but so this is part 2 of authentication and payments, and we're going to do a third part to just move this all to production. and then at that point the app will be live. And so if you're someone who is building an app, web app, and you want to see what it's like adding in authentication and payment so that people can actually pay for your product, this is I hope this has been helpful for you.